Today we have the most exciting stream. I've really been looking forward to this. We're gonna play Trail Hunt, new Solana PvP, Solana based game. Let's try it out. I haven't tried it. This is my first time ever playing it, so let's fucking go. Let's see if we can win some money, boys. I'm losing the house. What is this? Mike, go away. I'll kill you, Mike. What does he want to do? Oh shit. Nice. Nice, boys. Fucking 1-7 there. Nice, and we can kill fucking Glizzy. What the pause? We kill this guy as well. See you, Glizzy Licker. Pause. No, don't take my land. Hello? Go away. No. Oh, that was so close. No. Oh, clutch. No. Oh my god. We just lost $4. No. Oh, clutch. Nice. See you, Glizzy Licker. What's our value? Let's try to cash out. Can we cash out? We just made money. Made $1. This is low-key better than working at the Temu factory. $13, bro. Come on, let's just take this pink guy. Fuck him. Go, take all of his tiles. Take all of his tiles. See you. Nice. W cash out. Oh, close. W cash out. Cash out. Cash me out. Cash me out. Nice, boys. Let's fucking go. What his name is, to be honest. Nice. See you running back now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What
For fuck's sake. Okay, now let's go, boys. Let's go for a big cash out here. Let's go for a big cash out here. I'm low-key in $1 million debt, I can't lie. Come on, take this pink, motherfucker. Nice. This is my op. This is no, this is not my op. Hey, Ronnie. See you. Oh my god. Cash out. Oh my god. I'm rich if I cash this out. Cash. Oh my god, boys. We go for the rollie. If I get a fat cash out. W, go away. Nice. Okay, we're looking profit here. Oh, how did I die there? Nice. Okay, let's take this. He's not over here. Let's take his. Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking. Let's cash out. Let's cash out. This is the freeze money of my life. Nice, boys. Whoa. Let's see if we can double our money here at least. At least bare minimum double our fucking value here. Nice. Glizzy Lou. What is these sus names, bro? Who are these players? Fucking NPCs. Take us. Nice. Okay, cash out. This is a burger at McDonald's. Cheeseburger at Mac. Oh. Yes. Nice. This is actually so clean. I like the background. This is very nice. Let's just take all of his land. See you. Oh no. Let's kill Glizzy. Oh no. Fuck. Come on. I wanna be number 1 on the leaderboard. Come on. Get out! We need to kill Mike and Ronnie. Mac pause. No. Ugh. No, W is too good. He's looking. Withdraw. 0.91 Solana. 1-3. Let's go find my address, boys, so you can see that I am cashing out from a legitimate site. You can also just track the wallet and see that the money is coming very soon. Receive, copy my wallet, enter your soul, withdraw.